Hello guys, did you just bought a Wix Premium Plan? You will need to activate it to unlock all features. And in this video, I will walk you through step by step how to activate your Wix Premium Plan and connect it to your website. So first, go to wix.com and log in with the account you used to purchase the premium plan. Once inside, head over to the premium subscription section in your dashboard. Click the Assign next to your premium plan. Wix will list all your existing websites. Select the one you want to upgrade. This links your premium plan to that specific site. After activation, click the Connect domain to either buy a new domain, link an existing one, or use the free Wix domain temporarily. This step is required to fully activate the premium plan benefits. Now, check your billing information to ensure your plan is active and recurring payments are set. The dashboard should now display Premium next to your selected website. Test features like removing Wix ads, using premium templates, or enabling online payments to make sure that your plan is fully active and functional. Now you can access all premium customization tools, advanced SEO option, and e-commerce features. Finish editing your site and click the Publish button to go live with the premium status. You can manage your premium plan, upgrade, or cancel anytime directly from the Wix dashboard under Subscriptions. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.